Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. From the previous question, we're going to use software such as Python to create the table and graphs. We're going to show energy versus the efficiency of the new boiler and cost savings versus the efficiency of the new boiler. And we're going to have a table to show for that as well. Okay, so the efficiency is from 60% to 90%, and our unit cost is $11 ranging to $15 per million BTU. We'll discuss the results. For those of you that haven't done the previous question, here is the previous question. I'll just slowly scroll down. Basically, you're just manually solving the energy saving and cost savings. Okay. You should watch the previous video to get an idea of what you should be doing. So all the explanations are there. I don't want to spend another 8 minutes explaining everything. So just go through the steps. So you start off with this formula. You're going to find every formula below. And you're going to backtrack to find the cost savings and energy savings. Okay. I hope that wasn't too fast. You can always pause the video. Here is the Python code. It's a little bit long, so just in case it's not in the pinned comment, you can pause the video and copy it as well. Basically, the code will generate a table and two graphs. Alright. So, you don't really need to code. You can just use this code as a scaffolding to find the graphs. Okay, so that's the code. Let me zoom in to explain and discuss the graphs and table. Okay, so our break even is at 71. So 72 onwards is when we start saving. So we've got energy savings, cost savings from $11 to all the way to $15, and that's million BTU. So at $15 you save the most at $74,000. At $11 the least, which is $54,000. Our first graph is energy savings versus the new furnace efficiency. So what you're seeing is an exponential curve for the shape of the graph. It's almost linear, which means there is a direct proportional correlation between energy savings and the most efficient boiler. They call it a furnace, but it's the same thing. Basically, the more efficient it is, the more energy you save, as you can see. And as you can see, below 70% you're losing energy. Alright, moving on to the next graph, we've got this rainbow graph that shows multiple exponential curves. And the rainbow is just color-coded for the ranges in costs in terms of units. So we got 11 ranging to 15 per million BTU. I don't know why million is the 2 M's, but okay. That is their standard, I guess, unit. Alright, so cost savings is dollars per year. Alright, before we explain this graph, I just want to quickly mention that energy savings is BTU per year, and it is in the billions. So 10 to the power of 9. Okay. Coming back to this graph. So same as the energy graph. The more efficient it is, the more money you save. So as you can see, you don't make any money from 60% to 70%. In fact, you actually lose money. So at 72% onwards is where you save money. So you want your boiler in this scenario to be 72% or greater to have a cost savings. And at the end, 90% efficient, that's where you're going to save the most. So I know some of you are colorblind, so the lowest one here is 11 and the highest one here is 15. Okay, so that's the explanations. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made-up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in the video, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Before we leave, I highly recommend that you save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down. You can use the snipping tool. You can click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not there, go to your Windows search. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent. Okay, so open it. Click on video option, click on new. Left click, drag the rectangle, cover the YouTube screen. This is an example. Hit the start button in snipping tool. Wait for the countdown. Hit the replay button on YouTube. Let the video finish. Hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording and then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.